Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you another data package which is quite better than the current MTN packages. I would say maybe quite better than some of these packages. Okay, right? So in case you are new to our channel or your first time watching our video, welcome to this family. Okay, we share videos on what data packages, how to make money online, and other stuff. Okay, so in case you enjoy on any of those stuff, okay, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos or upcoming videos. Okay, without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. Okay, so we know that MTN has changed or have made some let's say improvements, not in the case of improvement, but increase their data bundle packages, the amount you use in paying for or purchasing for these bundles. So what I do on this channel is find alternative data packages that will help my viewers, okay, to get cheap bundles at all cost. Okay, right? So let's dive into the data package which might or could be a bit cheaper than the current MTN data bundles. Okay, right? So all you have to do is just dial this code and then let's go ahead to discuss the packages. Okay, right? So just dial *530#. Okay, once you dial this code, make sure that you are using a Vodafone SIM. Okay, so this code won't be available for MTN users. Okay, that's why I initially stated that it's a bit better than the current MTN data package. So let's check out the packages. Okay, now check this out. You'll notice that we have 1.1 gigabyte for only 2 cities, okay, and then 3 gigabyte, okay, for 5 cities. Initially we knew that MTN had this zone bundles where you get very cheap bundles, okay, like you get like 3 gig for 5 cities and all that. Okay, that has been scrapped. Okay, so once you dial the code for zone bundles, you notice that there are different bundles, okay, available. Okay, now you can notice that these are very cheap. Okay, so you have 3 gigabyte for only 5 cities. Okay, 3 gigabyte for 5 cities. You won't get this anywhere. Okay, you won't get this anywhere. You have 1.1 gig for just 2 cities, 3 gig for 5 cities. Now let me show you a breakdown of these data packages. Okay, now check this out. The 1.1 gigabyte is for 2 cities, which is valid for 2 days. Okay, the 3 gigabyte is for 5 cities, valid for 7 days. Okay, then we have 125 minutes on net and 3 gig. Okay, this option. Okay, the 10 cities option for 3 gig. Okay, and we also get 50 SMS for this. Okay, for this package, and then this lasts for 14 days. Okay, this is very cheap, straightforward, and even better than some or most of these new MTN packages. Okay, right? So in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification, because I'll be uploading another video on a very cheap data bundle package you never even knew existed on MTN. Okay, it's very active on MTN. Most people don't know about. Okay, so make sure to stick with me. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you in our next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.